food.
Hey, we're out. That was a lot of work.
Okay. Which way are we going? Truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deep. Curtis is gone.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm warm. I gotta take my jacket off. Too warm for this. It said plus 20, but hell if I know. I gotta take my helmet off. Or at least my goggles. I'm gonna wipe you clean.
Oh. He's in there. God!
It's like a clothes hanger. Gross.
up on top of that. That's not happening. I need like...
I'm gonna park myself where I'm like out of the water a bit so I can help. And then...
I need like a 5-minute. Well, the fin trail's not clean anymore. But I am dry. I am dry. Oh, my hands aren't. Oh my. What is happening? Get off of it. Can. I need a 5. Holy.
Gross. Oh, it stinks.
You can get it out of there.
It stinks so.
I hope you turned the GoPro on when we were...
I have it on. Wait till you see. I got so stuck over there. Brandon had to pull me out.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. Did you have the GoPro on?
Yep.
Yes. Just send it.
Just go. Just try. I believe in you.
Full throttle.
Oh, it's like stuck.
Hold on.
Don't touch the wrist.
He's going full rip.
Are you trying to send it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
he's gonna try and send it. I think he's too far, like, I don't think he'll
he's
make
in
it.
kind of a, I don't know if he'll get the momentum.
No, he won't. Tow truck!
Hey! Can you wait long enough to get the camera out?
Just wait! You wanna...
I figured that was happening.
Wow! I got it! I got it! Ugh.
You might have to get my tow rope unless, can you pull cable? I'll get pull mine out. Because I'm almost near the end of mine. Wow!
Oh, I can't even do better. Okay, here. I'll toss it.
I'm getting stuck myself. That's what happened. I was trying to get
Ready?
it down. Hold on.
Don't hit me with it. Or not.
You're good. Right there.
Gross. That's nice.
Bro.
I'm stuck. Ugh. How's the swampy water? Have fun getting out of that.
Might have him covered. Oh, you got oh.
Just a log.
Hey.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
What are you doing?
Trying to plow through it.
Oh, wow. Such a workout going through this stuff. You don't realize how out of shape you are. Am I in the way?
Nope.
Oh, look at the winch. Gross. That mud is thick. Oh great, now there's a wasp on my goggles. Oh, I'm gonna get muddy. I am walking back.
Something wasn't happy. This is ignorance.
Oh, it's just piling in the front.